Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Nur Amira binti Ahmad and I am from KRK 74. Today I will present about mobile application which is called MyDo-University Life. Let's move to the next slide which is introduction. MyDo-University Life is a mobile application for students to make a planner about their study life. When named MyDo-University Life, it is not only for university students but also for primary and secondary students. With this application, students can manage their study life easily. It is also because allows students to store classes, tasks or assignments and events such as examination and make it available on any device. Last but not least, can add the classes schedule and view them in a beautiful and well organized. Also allowing students to use the application even when offline. Next is a problem statement. Nowadays, most of the students does not have a systematic schedule in their life, especially in study life. This happens due to this some problem. Firstly is student usually use a planner paper or school diary to write something important. But by using MyDo-University Life, student does not need a paper. It also avoids the waste of the paper. Next is skipping the classes because they forget about that class. Actually, this is a common problem that students have in their study life. One of the reasons that they are skipping the class maybe they forgot about their class. But with the MyDo-University Live, it will help students to give a notification or alarm to tell them about the upcoming classes. Because in MyDo-University Live in this app, it required it give a student automatic notification. Last but not least is the organize of the important event or task. Most of the students, especially new students, does not have a systematic schedule. But to make it more systematic, schedule is just use MyDo-University Live. The event or task that is important will be displayed on the device without draw out. Next slide is objective. First one is to design a mobile application that will provide a better experience to the user in a study life. Secondly, to design a mobile application that meet the user requirement. Last but not least is to develop a mobile application that will be help user well organized. The next slide is methodology. For this mobile application, which is called MyDo-University Live, decided to use waterfall model. The advantage of using the waterfall model in developing a mobile application is include easy to understand and functional, simple enough to handle as a model is rigid, save significant amount of the time, and last, allow for easy testing and analysis. Next. As you can see, the progress is flowing down like a waterfall through the phases of requirement gathering and analysis. Next is design, go to implement and test and deploy, lastly maintenance. There is no overlapping in the phases. After that is a design and development. In this section, have two, which is low fidelity prototype and then high fidelity prototype. This is a low fidelity prototype of mobile application MyDo-University Live and using Adobe Photoshop 2020. And let's see the low fidelity prototype, which is in the design. Next, this is a low fidelity prototype that I design. This and next, and then this is a overall of the high fidelity prototype of mobile application MyDo-University Live and using Adobe XD. Firstly, when click on the application MyDo-University Live, click first and then click login and it will display like this, which is sign in with social network. User can choose this option whether to log in with the Facebook or log in with the Twitter or log in with the Google. I prefer log in with the Facebook and then click. Next is to get started at your class and schedule. Click on menu, and then click on these classes and click button plus button to add your first class. Just click and just fill in the detail, which is name and color. The user can choose the color what the user wants, and then click the button. And luckily your class is displayed beautifully with your color that you choose. Click on calendar if you want to add event or task, but if you have filled the task or event, it will display about today events here. After that, click on menu and click on the day. It also functions to add event and task. Just add it if you want to try. If you want to just add. Also same function. Next is click on agenda and also click the button add if you want to add task and event. After that, add task and event will be displayed here, around here. User also can click on schedule button if you want to make a schedule. Just add a time and just add a class, and then click on the tick button and Last but not least is setting. In the setting, it have a help, notification, feedback, check for the update, and share this app. I think that's all. I think that's all from the high fidelity prototype. So this is a poster for commercialize this mobile application. Uh, I think that's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.